The F-150 Raptor is an amazing truck off-road, but dirt, gravel, and road debris can really do some serious damage to your paint. So today we're going to be installing a set of these JLT Performance splash guards on our 2017 Raptor. These are JLT splash guards designed to fit the front and rear of your 2017 to 18 F-150 Raptor. They easily install without any modification and use the factory hardware. They're made of durable 1/8-inch thick ABS so they don't flop around, and they offer maximum tire coverage and protection for your paint. Okay, we're going to be starting off on the front driver's side of this truck, and as you can see, these mud flaps are pretty big. It's going to be installing right here. So what we need to do is remove this screw, and this one down here. Grab a 7mm socket. And the third screw is a little bit tighter just because of the tire. If you're using a deep socket, you might have to turn the wheel. Place your JLT mud flap against the fender flare and reinstall your screws. I'm going to start with the middle screw. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way. Just going to get it started and then get all 3 screws in. Once all 3 screws are in, you can tighten them down. And it's as easy as that. We can now move on to the rear. Very similar process for the rear. It's going to be installing right here, but there's only 2 screws for the rear. You would definitely need either a wrench or a short socket to do this screw down here. Once both are removed, reinstall them with the mud flap. As you can see up here, there's no screws, so it's a little bit floppy up here. So this kit comes with this U-channel that you're going to use to put around the flap and the flare to pinch them together. Just like that. Now it's nice and secure. We can do the same thing to the other side. Okay, we got our JLT splash guards installed on our 2017 Raptor, and they do contour nicely with the factory flare, and they cover the tire a whole lot better than the factory flare did. It'll definitely help to protect our paint. Super easy to do this. I'd say give yourself 30 minutes to install all 4 of them, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.